Alright, so here's an update. We cut the duct. Pretty interesting, my boss did that. Cut it up and over the pipes that go through here. Comes down. This is where we are at the fan. Have it hung with unistrut. We have to get into this storage bin and drill up rods on the other side because these go through the grating. And here's the duct that comes above the window. I don't know, this was done on my days off, so he did some interesting stuff here. Notch the duct to get around this pipe. Looks like this goes up and then we're going to have a piece that comes across and it's going to tie into that sitting on the workbench. So we got the window cut out. That's that where the louver is going to go, and we got to get the duct in place. Alright, so we got all this duct here connected. Still have to insulate that. Got this supported here. We have to redo the opening for the window. I got drills hold. I'm going to put another support on this duct, and when I'm again, my boss doesn't want to use unistrut. I mean, I want to use it, but got to follow orders. Just following orders. So I'm going to take this bracket, mount that into the ceiling, and screw the duct into this because it's very strong. And I'll use these. I was using some plugs before, but I also have these anchors I'm going to use for those holes where you hammer this in, and it's a really it's not coming out. It's just not coming out. And that's, again, it's another bracket. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to do unistrut, but he said no, so I'm just following orders. That's all I can do. Jackhammering up the sidewalk. Okay guys, so here we are in the steam room, and they have these jacks up here because they started demoing the sidewalk in front of the building today, and they opened up right here and they put some decking down here. So now this is where the grate used to be, where the fresh air will come in from the sidewalk. There's still a little air leakage here, but it won't be for long. This was the other one over here, as you remember. So now it's blocked off, and then fresh air fan. Now this is the fresh air we got. You can see it there. This is the deck. I put some bitumen on the side of the duct here, and these are just because the bottom of this wasn't so solid. So these posts are here to make sure nothing falls on the water pumps here for the roof tank. But yeah, so now the fan has to run because this is the only fresh air we're getting back here, and it gets hot back here. So this is pushing in a really decent amount of air. I'm really happy with the fan. And yeah, that's it now. It's official. This fan is now delivering the fresh air for this room, because this is the exhaust duct right here. That's the exhaust duct. So yeah, that's that, guys. So there's a grill out there temporary until we can get a main one, but this is pretty much it. It's finished. That strap is holding it up now, and we still have to get in here and again drill the other side up. But that's it. I did these support brackets here. Another one here, and I got one back in here as well. It's being held up this gate. And that's it. All the braces are out, all my supports are on. The fan is currently on because they sealed up those gratings in the steam room. So now this fan is the only source of fresh air back to the steam room. So this is currently on high. And I just have a little cleaning up here to do. And that pretty much takes care of the fresh air duct project. I'm happy to see my project actually come to life, because I was the one who pretty much designed this. I came up with the path and the fan and everything for my boss, and he just went along with it and helped me helped me get it done. So he was real pleased with it. I'm real pleased with it. Property manager's pleased with it. I gotta fix that light. Yesterday the ladder crashed into it, so I had to put a new bulb in. Luckily the bulb didn't break. I was amazed. But this is it. You know, this is I have to fix the tape there. Some things. There's still some little punch listy things, you know. But that's like pretty much it. I mean, this thing is operational now and it's supplying fresh air. And there it is again, the Dayton inline fan, 738 CFM. And yeah, so that concludes part 3 of the fresh air duct project. Thanks for watching, guys. Mike out.